Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you guys are all safe during this lockdown and pandemic situation. Stay safe, stay indoors, practice at home as much as possible. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to play square cut. Okay, so we'll watch the variations. The first one we will have a look at the back foot square cut. Okay, then we will look at the improvised version of it. Then we will go to the front foot square cut. Okay, so square cut is a shot that is played early on in the innings. Okay, when the ball is swinging, some of the opening batsmen they find this shot to be a good boundary scoring shot. Okay, so usually when the ball is well outside off and wide of the batsman, they just throw their bat at it to score it. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, the first thing is, first you have to always judge the ball and select the right ball to do square cut. So square cut will be played for the ball that is pitching well outside off. Okay, I have placed a cone here, so that's almost as a guide for the wide ball here, but at the same time Ayan will show you where we will meet the ball for square cut. Okay, so first thing, you will watch the ball, then you will take your right leg somewhere close to the ball and to create that distance. And now when he meets the ball, he will cross his shoulder and he will meet the ball like this. Okay, so that's the kind of distance that you need to play square cut. Okay, and as you meet the ball, you have to roll your wrist just like that. Okay, so roll your wrist to keep the ball down. Okay, now we will see the three steps that are important to get the square cut perfect. Okay, the first thing is watching the ball. As you watch the ball, you have to keep your head still. Always keep your head still when you are playing the ball. Okay, and your head always tracks the ball all the time. Okay, so for square cut, your head will move like this. Okay, so see how he kept his shoulders, he is crossing his shoulders and his right leg is pointing somewhere to third man. Okay, so this helps crossing the shoulders and keeping it crossed, because this is how you generate power for the square cut. And the bat should go high, not behind the back, not with the open shoulders. So it should go high like that, and your head is still watching the ball. Okay, so you have to stay with the ball all the time. And now he will go meet the ball like that. Okay, so that's how. And as you meet the ball, you have to make sure you roll your wrist slightly to keep the ball down. Okay, now we will see how we can improvise and play the square cut for the ball that is coming somewhere just outside of or closer distance, where you cannot extend your arms freely, just in your normal standing position. Okay, so now I have kept a red cone there, which will guide as the line of the ball. Okay, now for this particular shot, if you are to play a square cut, and you have to take your right leg somewhere outside the leg stump like that. Okay, so you are creating that distance again to slash the ball, extending your arms. Okay, everything else remains same. The only difference is now you are taking your right leg away from the stump. Okay, and to create the distance and to hit the ball in your target area. Okay, the third variation of square cut is just going to be the front foot. The main difference here, it will be the ball that is pitching close to your legs, or close to the crease, close to your leg, where you have to play front foot drives. Okay, but this time it's well outside off, and we are playing the ball that is coming somewhere close to that blue cone. Okay, just inside the blue cone or the blue cone. So he will first watch the ball, and once he has decided it's the front foot square cut, the ball that is well outside off, he will take his left leg somewhere same like the back foot, but here he is taking the left leg here. Okay, and he's still crossing the shoulders and slashing the bat. Okay, meeting with the bat like that. Okay, so that is really important. You are still rolling your wrist to keep the ball down as you play. Okay, because the square cut, most of the time the ball, it will be difficult to keep the ball down, so you have to really time the ball, you have to meet the ball really well, and at the same time you have to make sure that you roll your wrist, okay, to keep the ball down. Okay, right. Keep the ball down as you play, roll your wrist. Play somewhere between backward point and turn. Okay. Keep it down. Try to keep it down. That is good. Okay. 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 Good. Close ball. Great. Super. Excellent. Stay outside.
Hi guys, hope you all are safe during this pandemic. Stay home, stay safe, practice at home, be safe.